Hello friends and welcome back to Virtual Happy Hour. Thank you for joining me on a Saturday. You know, yesterday being the holiday, I just thought it was Saturday. I was just living my best life, fixing the taxonomy on my website to get better Google search indexing. It was just a barrel of laughs and I lost track of time and I forgot it was Friday. And now here we are on a Saturday. I'm dressed like a carrot or a high-end minimum security prisoner. Like maybe I did time with Martha. And so this is like sort of my look. I was influenced to buy this like sweatsuit set from my good friend Ms. Beltempo. She had it in gray. She didn't make me buy the orange. I just really like orange. Didn't consider the convict sort of look-alike implications of a matched orange set. Very comfortable though. The shirt's a little bigger than maybe I would normally go for, you know, like a little bit of a fitted look. Anyway, I'm wearing this carrot orange outfit to go with our carrot cake margarita that we're about to make. We're gonna just make this up as we go, kind of spitballing here. We'll see how it works out. I'm hoping it's gonna be great because I don't have time to do this again. So I'm gonna be using reposado tequila, carrot juice, cointreau, or other orange liqueur, triple sec would be fine. I'm, for fun, going to be throwing in a little bit of ginger liqueur. If you don't have ginger liqueur, don't worry, just use more of your orange liqueur to get that sweetness. Or you could do a honey syrup in place of the ginger liqueur. Honey syrup, equal parts boiling water and honey. Lemon, and probably a little, just a squeeze of orange juice. For the rim, I want to bring in a little bit of herbaceousness, a little bit of fresh dill to mix up the sort of sweetness, play off the kind of savory element from the carrot. So I'm going to start by rimming my rocks glass with a lemon wedge. And then I have some salt and dried dill on this plate. I couldn't decide if I wanted to take this in like more of a sweet or a savory direction, so we're kind of doing both. I'll reserve the right. Get it on there. Salt it up. There we go. Rimmed. We got that nice little green. Now into our shaker. 2 ounces of reposado tequila, Maizemi. Hope you're having a great long weekend so far. Oh, making a mess. What have you been up to? What are you doing? What are you up to? And we're gonna do half an ounce of cointreau, orange liqueur. Half an ounce of ginger liqueur. So if you don't have ginger liqueur, do a full ounce of orange liqueur. Now we're going to do, for the sour component, I need my citrus juicer. Found it. For our sour component, we are going to do, say, 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon. Oh, what am I doing? I'm just like pouring this into the lid. I'm not drunk, I swear. This is my first drink of the day, believe it or not. Which you may not after that performance. Nevertheless. Thank you guys for your suggestions on art sites. Lots of great recommendations. A lot of similar recommendations. A lot of Society 6, a lot of Etsy. I'm gonna just do 1/4 ounce to 1/3 of an ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice. Now for our carrot action, I'm going to do 1 ounce of carrot juice. Maybe let's make it 1.5 ounces, okay? Okay, good. We're just literally hoping for the best here. Flying blind. Let's add some ice to our shaker. I hate when this happens. And we're gonna add a large cube to our glass. so hard to make art decisions. It feels very permanent. And you're like, what goes here? And I wanted something landscape format because sort of a long wall, and I wanted to like take up the space, but now I'm thinking maybe two of something side by side. I don't know. I'm not there yet. I was thinking something abstract because my other pieces are photographs. So much to consider. What are you making for Easter dinner if you are celebrating Easter? I would like to know. I am doing lamb tomorrow for my parents. Let's see. Nice color. Gorge. Before I garnish, I'm going to take a sip because I need to decide what direction I want to go with the garnish. I match. I'm so well matched. Okay. Delightful. Nailed it. Because I want more of like a kind of herbal experience to balance out the sweetness. I'm gonna do a couple sprigs of fresh dill. You got this dill. Give it a little smack. And tuck that in there. And there is our Carrot Cake Margarita. Cheers. Ah, that's so nice. Just adds a lot of complexity. I think you guys are gonna like this one. Just throwing it out there. Just hazarding a guess. Because my other option for garnish was candied ginger, which is also good and tangy. You can't really go wrong. Choose your own garnish adventure, my friends. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful long weekend. Keep your art recos coming. I'm going to share some suggestions for you guys because no one has submitted some of the places that I frequent most often, and maybe you'd find it helpful or interesting. So, you know, I'm gonna share the wealth. Have a great rest of your weekend. Hope the Easter Bunny is good to you and you get lots of chocolate. Maybe some hollow chocolate bunnies so you can make the chocolate tiki bunny from last Easter. See you soon. See you soon.